What's up guys, Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. We have two products here from Anker. They sent this to us a few weeks ago when we were in Barcelona, and this is the only time that we're able to unbox this. This is their 27,650 milliampere power bank. It's 250 watts. It is allowed to bring this on the airport, so you don't need to worry about that. And this one is their 67 watts GaN wall charger. It has 3 ports, which is a good upgrade from their previous generation. So these two things we're going to unbox this and just give you guys a quick overview of where you can use this, some use cases. All right, so let's go first with this one. This is their multi-device fast charging. 250 watts output with 27,650 milliampere, and it has a smart application. That means you can download an application and use it to monitor the wattages, the charge, remaining charge of your power bank, which is really nice for a power bank. Now, this is again branded as Anker Prime. This is one of their premium offerings from Anker, and it's available in the Philippines, and you can, of course, buy it via their Lazada page and even at Navco. Alright, so without further ado, let's now unbox this. It says here, open, right over here. There you go, and at the top, and we're good to go. There you go. Now this is their latest one, and it is funny because a few months ago, well, a year ago, right? Anker actually sent us something similar, but it's only 20,000 milliamperes. And this is the one. And as you can see, the difference is it's almost as big as the other one, but yet this one has more than this. This one has more, 7,650 more milliampere compared to the older generation. Now, to give you guys a quick overview of the ports available, you have one Type A and you have 2 USB ports. Now, since this is a multi-device fast charger, you can connect up to 3 devices and charge them simultaneously. It also has a magnetic base at the bottom, and you can just simply buy a base, a charging base, where you can just simply connect this to so that this charges while you wait. Now, since this came from the factory and from the shop, this does not have a charge, so don't expect me to try this out. However, we will have a full review of the Anker multi-device fast charger, or Anker Prime rather, 27650 later on. So go check out our website at gadgetpilipinas.net if you want to know more experience. Now, inside the box, you can find additional accessories. Yeah, we have here a cable, maximum of up to 140 watts right there. And on this side, we have a wiper and a case for your Anker Prime. It's a wiper so that you can simply clean it off, like so. Now, the rest of the items are inside. We have here the quick start guide, and also some warranty information. Alright, trickle charging mode, display screen guide. Everything you need to know is right on this manual. Let's now move on to the next one, which is the multi-device fast charger 67 watts GaN wall charger with 3 ports as well. As you can see, both of these devices have 3 ports. This one is for charging purposes, no power bank. This one has a power bank up to 27,650. Without further ado, let's now take this out of the box. All right, let's not forget these things inside. We have here the manual and just a quick guide that the one at the top is for MacBook purposes. Now, since this one is 67 watts, it is applicable for some devices that require 65 watts to fully utilize, rather. Okay, let's now check it out. And this is how it looks, guys. Very small, as you can see right there. It says here GaN Prime. We have here ports, 2 Type C ports and 1 Type A. The one at the top is for the tablet, or rather for the MacBook rather. And we do have here a port rather, so that means if you're going to use this for your MacBook Air, for example, you should use the one provided by Apple. So you can just simply connect it at the top, and then the other one, the other part should connect to the Type-C port if you're using the MacBook Air M2, and you can use the MagSafe, the new MagSafe, if you're using the MacBook Air 15-inch M2 or M3. And that's pretty much everything inside the box of the GaN Charger. So there you have it, guys. These are the two new products of Anker. These are the 27650 Anker power bank, and this one is their new GaN Prime 67 watts multi-device charger. All of these two devices are now available in the Philippines. You can go and check it out at Nifty stores, Navco stores, and of course the official page of Anker via Lazada. Again, guys, this has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.